Turn air massage on by pressing the bubble button as shown. Air bath starts at a reduced intensity. To adjust intensity, first press the air massage button. The arrows will illuminate and will now function. To activate the pulsation mode, press the button as shown. Pressing the button again cycles between the wave, pulse, and steady modes. The steady mode is at 100%. Press the air massage button to turn the system off. If the arrows are not lit, you'll have to push the button twice. Press the button as shown to enter the spa mode. The spa mode will actually begin when you press the up and down arrows. Spa mode 1 is energetic. Spa mode 2 is relaxing. Spa mode 3 is deep tissue. The display will indicate off for a few moments and will remain illuminated until the tub is drained. Once the tub is drained, the display will alternate between dry and the time remaining until the automatic purge cycle begins. When the countdown reaches 0, the blower will turn on at low speed and slowly increase to full speed. The entire purge cycle takes approximately 1 minute. To activate the 24-hour mode, press and hold the top arrow for 5 seconds. The display will alternate between on and 24H to confirm the change. The 24-hour mode will purge the air system every day at the same time that the mode is activated. Choose a time that is convenient, such as when nobody is home. To return to the standard 7-minute delayed purge cycle, repeat the procedure. The display will alternate between off and 24H to confirm the change. To activate the chromotherapy lights, press the button as shown. The default color is white. To change the color of the chromotherapy lights, press the arrows. The light button and arrows must be illuminated. The display will show L1, L2, etc. to indicate the change. Pressing the chromotherapy button a second time will activate the rainbow mode. The next press will activate the aqua blue-green mode. Press once again to turn the system off. Here the rainbow mode is activated. The lights will cycle through all the colors. Press the button again to select the aqua blue-green mode. The colors will only cycle through the blue-green hues. When the chromotherapy indicator light and arrows are lit, the speed of the cycle can be changed with the arrows. The air massage and chromotherapy can be on at the same time. After a few moments, the lit arrows will turn off and both the air massage and chromotherapy buttons will glow dimly. The automatic shutoff timer will be displayed. To make any adjustments, you must choose the device you wish to control. When the device is chosen, the device button will glow brightly and the arrows will illuminate. Adjustments can now be made. The changes will be shown in the digital display. To turn the chromotherapy system off, press the button 4 times or until the display indicates off. Press the air massage button twice to turn the air system off.